You see that one, boys? Ah, you thought it was shiny till I peeled that off. Holy cow. I let Max Aluminum, MACS, I'll put the link in the description. Of course, they're just friends. They don't pay me. I let them talk me into this. This is their new product. I know we talked about it a while ago, but this is my first opportunity to put it on a camper. It's not going to fade. You don't have to polish it. It's anodized, meaning that's what it looks like. As long as you wash it every so often, this is it. I'm sure you can see me just as well as you can see me here, other than we do have our Shasta pattern on this. This is amazing. I generally don't like it that shiny. But we got to put in our running lights front and back. We're also going to have water in, water out, and our electric right there. Then other than that, we just got to put our window in, which we've already rebuilt. And we got to put our J-rail. It's not J-rail. Put our J-rail on. But man, can you even believe this? I don't know. We're going to have to figure out some sort of stripe. Probably just a regular Shasta stripe. I don't want to take away too much, but I think something right along here, as long as it's not too much, is going to break up all the shiny and just give you shiny color, shiny. I just had to show you. That's about the only thing I'm going to do today because I could not wait any longer to show this to you. Max Aluminum, MACS, Bristol, Oklahoma. Their name and their number, they'll be down there in the description.